busy tayo today. So we're working on updating yung application na Swelas. So andyan na naman yung magulong anak ko. But for now, this is the update right now. We need to create a version 3 of the application. So database, we need to also create new one para ma-integrate natin lahat, and also yung AI feature ng Swelas, and hopefully in the future we can also link it doon sa mga potential na additional features natin. So una natin create is yung user management. Right now pwede na kayong mag-add ng user using here, full name, let's say for example si joy@swelas.com 12356. I advise na mas maganda yung password natin should not be easy to detect, so staff kalimitan, and then get random number dyan. Na pinaka-importante is saan sila maasa. So once you create a user, that's gonna be here. So yan na siya. And then sa branch management naman, easily na yung pag-create ng management ng branch. So meron tayong branch right now, ordinate.gov. Ano bang branch yung nandun sa may KM3? Palimutan ko. So KM3 na lang. Tapos address KM3, contact number, then create branch. So yun na yung pag-create ng branch natin. Sa services management naman, ito na yung nakalagay. So all you have to do is to add here, same sa pag-create ng branch. So nilagay ko na lahat ng mga services natin right now. So all these are being tested. Washing area wala pa yan. Then yung of course yung naka-pending na task natin is yung reward points. Susunod dito is yung updates natin sa ating point of sale. So really we're doing all the things and combining lahat ng features na meron tayo. So medyo matrabaho, so we have to work on that. Naging test natin to see if the application is working yung sa pag-capture or pag-detect ng shoe. So unang ginawa natin is we try to use yung uploaded image, so just to make sure kung gumagana yung application, and then mamaya test natin yung shoe naman using a camera. So right now na-detect yung lace pero hindi na-detect yung has laces, should be yes. So may mga konting addition dyan na. Yung condition, it's based on the picture. So fair, ibig sabihin hindi siya bago, hindi siya okay naman. But I think kayo na bahala kung kailangan niya. And sizes, hindi niya ma-detect yung size for now, but we're working on to see kung paano ma-detect yung size automatically using yung boxes na sila Jesco. Once with that, it will give you yung calculated, but this is just an example. So yung current process natin right now is yung pag-create ng JO is dito, it automatically gets a JO number. So Raymond is the customer, same pa rin ng process natin last time. Number of pairs, 14, contains tab, created by Joy, so kung sino yung nakalagin. Add shoe is dynamic, unlike before na may mga predefined fields. So right now, you can just add multiple. So tatanggalin natin yan, and we will just create 2. Dalawa lang yung sapatos na meron ako. So we will start the camera, then yung dalawa. So unang-una is ito yung camera. Mas maganda kung siguro nakalabas yung logo natin, kung paano nyo mga picture, dapat maayos. Tama ba ito? So capture yung una, yan yung pinaka importante dito kasi ginagamit to detect yung application. So capture yung left and right. This is just a supplementary image, and analyze shoes. So mas maganda yung malinaw yung camera natin. Yung pangalawang shoes, good condition canvas, so I think that's correct. Black upper color, has laces and flat, I don't know, maybe 6. Condition sticker good, so ibig sabihin medyo maganda pa yung shoes. And then confirm. Once we have confirmed, analyze shoes again. Yan, same dito. Pakita natin yung logo. Importante kasi ata yung logo dahil yun yung way niya to detect yung brand. capture, and then capture, and then analyze shoes. So I think it will be easy para sa ano natin, Under Armour, pink flat pa rin. Yeah, I think this is flat, so that's correct. Has laces, size is 6. Then condition is good, running shoe, that's correct. Material is mesh siguro yan. I think mesh, and then that's it. So confirm. Once we have that, we just have to select yung brand service. Hanggang dito pa lang yung testing natin, so hindi ko pinalagay yung pricing, but that's what I'm working on right now. So save shoes, then order save. So mamaya gagamitin natin yung list of branches natin. So yan muna ang pinaka-update natin right now. So this is really one big super app para sa Suelas. Maraming salamat.
Daddy.
What?
Look.
So let's see. Yan right now ang additional na ating services sa Suelas. Thank you. Next is yung rewards and yung POS. So hopefully link na yan together. Plus yung analytics nila, which is yung reporting, and then settings. So lahat na yan lalagay natin sa one big super app. It might take me 1 or 2 or